Hey Ans, you've been watching Instagram videos, TikTok videos all the day, but you don't get time to learn something productive. You have to learn how to make money. You have to do something productive instead of just sitting there watching Netflix and doing stuff that will not give you money. I'm not on Instagram or TikTok. I've just learned a new way on how I can make money just by watching videos. How? It just scam as a website, I think. No, it's not scam, and that's what I'm doing right now. How can I make money just by watching videos? It's really easy and very enjoyable. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. Today I have something exciting to share with you. I recently came to this application which is called Paid Work. This is a platform that you get money just by watching videos on this application, and this video are advertisements video. So let's dive in and let's see how this works. It's really easy and it's really amazing. I think you can do this. Just listen to me very careful. So let me give you a quick overview on how paid work works. This is a platform that connects advertisers and users who are willing to watch video ads. So as a user, you can sign up and start watching different videos on this application, which are advertisement video, and you get money for your time and attention that you pay to this application. It's really easy, and the good thing about this application is that anyone around the world can do this. It doesn't matter where you stay. You can be in Africa, you can be in Asia, you can be in Europe. You can still make money just by watching videos on this application. So on this video, we're going to see how to join paid work. Step by step, I'll show you. And we're going to see how much you can make on paid work, but also we are going to reveal how much I made on paid work. And also, what can you do to make more money on paid work? The sign up process on paid work is quick and straightforward. So if you have mobile phone or tablet, you can just go to App Store or Play Store and download paid work. It's written as paid work, and after downloading this application on your mobile phone or tablet, you can now start filling all the info that are needed there. You can write your name, you can write all the necessary things that were needed to write on this platform. And now you're officially paid work user. So after signing up with no time, you'll be able to start watching video ads on this platform, and you can get money just by watching these video ads. It just depends on how many videos you are planning to watch on a particular day. And the good thing about paid work, this application is very easy to navigate. There are not complicated things on this application. You just go to this application, sign up, and you can get to this place which is written as watch video, and you can start watching videos. And most of the video of this platform, they're not longer. They're at least 30 seconds video. So how much can you make on paid work? And I think this is the most important part that everybody needs to know and understand. How much can you absolutely make on paid work? So this platform offers users the opportunity to accumulate points just by watching videos, and those points can be redeemed into cash. So let's say that you're watching one video. Just by watching one video on paid work, you get 1 cent, and for you to get at least $10, you have to watch more than 1,000 videos every single day. Let's say that you take your time and you have to watch at least 1,000 videos every single day. Per 1 week, you're going to get $70 per 1 week just by making more than $10 every single day. And if you keep doing that, a month, you are just going to make more than $280 just by watching videos. You really don't have to pay anything, you don't have to do anything, you're just going to watch videos. So the other good thing about paid work is that you can get your money just after reaching $10. So let's say that you have watched more than 1,000 videos a day, and you'll be able to withdraw your money just after reaching $10. And you can get paid by PayPal or other payment method that you will find on this platform. So what can you do to make more money on paid work? Let's say that you don't have any job and you're always sitting there watching Netflix or scrolling on Instagram or TikTok, but you found this application which you can make money just by watching video. So instead of just watching videos that they don't make you any money, why don't you use your time wisely and make sure that you're going to make money by watching different ads on paid work? So if you really don't have anything to do, I think this is your best opportunity for you, maybe to use at least 12 hours. You can use 12 hours or 8 hours in a day. Make sure that you watch videos every time. So if you're committed to make money on this platform and you are lucky enough to make at least $15 every single day, that means that you're going to make more than $400 by the end of the month, which is a lot of money. It can help you in so many ways. So I encourage you, if you don't have anything, it's way good to stay watching videos that can give you money rather than just staying on internet or doing nothing and you don't make any cent from there. So this is your chance, and I hope you take it, and I hope you're going to try it right now just by downloading this application and start making money. So I want to tell you how much I made on paid work. I'm really not good on spending time on application because I have a lot of things to do and my timetable is kind of busy. So the aim of me downloading this application was to make sure that if this application was legit and you can really make money on this platform, because I really don't want to talk about things that I'm not really sure about. So the only reason of me downloading this application was to make sure if you can really make money on paid work. But I tried, and this is how much I made. I just tried like 10 minutes, and this is how much I made. I made 10 cents on this application. As you can see, my screenshot are there. As you can see, this screen record is there. This is how much I made on paid work, and I'm pretty sure if I didn't have busy timetable and I was very committed to this platform, I'm pretty sure that I could make more money just by watching videos. And it's good opportunity because you make money just by enjoying watching videos, and I think you can take a shot and start making money on this platform. Thanks so much. My name is Hans David, and I hope you are going to subscribe to my channel to get more updates on how can you make money through different side hustles. Let's be rich together. Hey Hans, you've been watching Instagram videos, TikTok videos all the day, but you don't get time to learn something productive. You have to learn how to make money. You have to do something productive instead of just sitting there watching Netflix and doing stuff that will not give you money. I'm not on Instagram or TikTok. I've just learned new way on how I can make money just by watching videos. How? It just scam as a website, I think. No, it's not scam, and that's what I'm doing right now. How can I make money just by watching videos? It's really easy and very